Hi guys, today we talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. It's launched on July 2024. The dimensions of Samsung Z Flip 6: height 6.5 and fold 3.35 inch, width 2.83 inch, thickness is 6.9 mm, unfold and fold 14 by 9 mm. The weight is 187 gram and the build: front plastic, back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. It comes with foldable LTPO and dynamic AMOLED 2X with 16 color. The screen size unfold is 6.7 inch and the fold 3.4 inch, and the screen to body ratio is 85.5%. The resolution of unfold 1080p and the PPI density is 426, and the fold resolution is 720p and the PPI density is 306. The refresh rate is 120Hz fold and unfold, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes with 2000 nits peak of brightness, and the screen protection is Corning Gorilla Glass Victor. The platform of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is 8 Gen 3 Snapdragon and the CPU is octa-core Cortex X4 with 3.3 GHz, and the GPU is Adreno 750. The memory of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6: 12 gigs of RAM to 56 by 12 gigs of ROM. And the camera setup, the mobile comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera is 10 megapixel and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The battery backup of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, it comes with 4000 mAh battery with 25 watt fast wire charging, and it supports 15 watt wireless charging and 4.5 watt reverse wireless charging. The commons and the features: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint side mounted, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IPX8 dust water resistant. The price of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is $1,099.